Hey guys, it's Cass here. So today I'm coming to you with my final vlog before Japan. I'm so excited. So basically I've just come back from getting lash extensions. I just got a classic set. They're so natural just because I've never had them before and I'm in love with them. I definitely want to go like more dramatic next time, but these are so pretty. So anyway, I've literally just come back from that appointment. I'm just gonna do a mini pretty little thing haul. There's some clothes in here that I want to take to Japan, so we gotta try these on. I'll probably do like a little pack with me kind of vlog as well because I haven't packed yet. So yeah, I thought I would do a packing vlog as well because I love watching packing vlogs. I'm really nosy and I like seeing what people like bring with them on holidays. So I'm gonna do one of them as well. I've also never packed for a winter holiday, so I feel like this could be useful for some people whilst I try to figure it out. This morning I also filmed a little more like in depth of like what I'm taking in my makeup bags and my skincare bags as well, just because this video would be way too long if I showed you literally everything. I think that video would already be up, but right now when you're watching this I'm actually in Japan, which is insane. I also have made some changes to my room. You guys saw this print in my last vlog but you didn't see like me put it up, but it fits perfectly, guys. I got this frame from Kmart and I've just put it here. Sorry about the mess. This all is not meant to be here. This is all Seth's stuff. I told you guys, he likes to mess up my room. This is a new little corner of my room. I'm in love with it. Everything's from Kmart, including this plant and the gold tray. And I just put like my handbag and keys and stuff on there. I've also got this section here which is new. I'm in love with this section. So basically you guys know I've been doing bullet journaling, doing scrapbooking. So I've got all my important books here. So I've got my bullet journal. I've got this journal that Sophie and Christy got me and I'm basically using it as like my gratitude and health tracker journal. Got my Mecca notebook where I write down things that I learn at Mecca. I have this random notebook which is not got a purpose yet, but we'll find one. This is my Cass Beauty notebook, little piglet, and then my scrapbook. I've got that little section, so this is basically where I hold all the stationery I need ever. These both were from Kmart, by the way. I believe it was like $10 for both of these, and they look so cute. I've just got this Kiki K candle up the top here. In here I've got this pencil case that just has like all my normal pens, so when I am out and about with my bullet journal, this is the pencil case I'll bring with me in my handbag. I've just got all these little supplies and stuff in there. And the bottom one, literally all the markers in the world. It's just, I love this storage unit. It's just so cute and like, oh, I don't know. I just love how this looks. Like, doesn't that look cute? Okay, so let's do the pretty little thing haul. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. So this is like a chocolate brown bodysuit. I have like an outfit in mind. I'll show you guys in a sec when I try everything on. So these are snake print pants. I've been obsessed with snake print, so I really want to get some pants. My vision is to have these pants with this bodysuit and like my camel coat. I just think it'd be so cute. So on the website these pants looked like they would be thicker. Like this is pretty much like a see-through material. So if I do wear these in Japan I'm gonna have to wear like thermal leggings underneath, which is okay, I guess. I don't know, I thought they were like pants, you know, like trousers, but they're more like of a thin material, but that's fine, we'll work with it. Also got this knit cardigan. I already have a cardigan like this, but I just wanted it in a different color, so this is cute. And then I got this chocolate brown jumper dress. This is like a midi dress and it just looks so comfortable, so I'm excited to try this on. Let's try them all on. I love this outfit. So this is the chocolate bodysuit. It fits perfectly. I haven't tried to button up the bottoms though because I never do that. I just think it's so uncomfortable for me. But this looks so nice. I love the color of it. Fits really well. Material super comfortable. I love it. And these are the pants. I absolutely love these. They fit amazingly. They've just got this stripe down the side there as well. They're so freaking comfortable as well. This is the world's most comfortable outfit, but it looks so like you've put so much effort in it. I'm obsessed with it. I think I got the pants in a size 10 and I could have gone a little bit up. Like they fit perfectly. I would have loved to have a bit more of like an oversized like baggy kind of look, but I do love this. I feel like because it's a bit tighter it's a bit more like chic looking. It is the tiniest bit see-through. Like you can see the brown strap of the bodysuit that I didn't button up, but I love this outfit. It looks so nice. This is the outfit I envisioned, like this full outfit with the camel coat. I think it's so cute. Like all the tones are so neutral and then the snake print just like peeks out like that. I absolutely love this. This coat is from ASOS, by the way. Like black boots as well. Oh my god, I just think this is the cutest outfit. It's so comfortable. I'm obsessed. And then we've got the cardigan. I love this as well. Got this in a size small. Again, I already had this cardigan. I just wanted it in a different color, so I already knew that it would fit good. But I got in a small, so it'd be kind of like a crop top, and I could just wear it as a shirt and not be too like big for me. I love how this looks. It just looks so cute and like grandpa chic. I just love this so much. Okay, this is the sweater dress, and I love this. It gives me no shape, no figure at all, but it's the most comfortable thing. I literally look like a potato, but I'm okay with it. It's got a slight V-neck as well. It's just the most comfortable thing ever. I feel like this will be my outfit for the airport. The model kind of had a belt tied around it, which I've just tried to do. I think it looks cute, but I don't know. It doesn't look as good with the belt on me as it did on the model. I do love this dress, but I feel like it just doesn't make me look very good. It's the most comfortable thing ever. That just doesn't make me look good. It's super cute with this coat. I love it with this. I feel like in Japan I probably won't ever take this coat off anyway, so I feel like this is good. I don't know, I'm gonna have to think about this dress. I think it's the most comfortable thing, but if it doesn't make me look good, then like, do I need it? I am like sweating balls in this outfit. I'm gonna have to think about this one, but I hope you guys enjoyed my mini Pretty Little Thing haul. I loved everything. I feel like I'll do the pack with me tomorrow, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my little Pretty Little Thing haul, so catch you guys later. Okay, I just tried it on with the belt bag and I love it. I don't know what made it different, but I just really love it. I'm gonna keep it, I think. It's so cute. Also, Pretty Little Thing returns are really annoying because you have to pay for shipping, which sucks, but it's fine. I love this dress. I love everything that I bought. Yay! Hey guys, it's the next day today and I've just sat down and started doing some packing. I thought I'd show you what I'm up to right now. Sorry if I look dead and tired. It's because I am, but I wanted to start packing, so I know we're in the very early stages of packing, and by early I mean throwing all your clothes on the floor. Yeah. My suitcase right here. This is one I brought to Shanghai. Yeah, I bought these packing pouches from Amazon as well. I thought they would come in handy, so like I can section off different ones. So one bag will have like pants, one with shirts, coats, whatever, stuff like that. So yeah, we've got them to fill as well. I've also got these coats. I've got 4 coats, which is a bit excessive. I need to kind of cull down that. I've already packed my toiletries and my makeup bag and everything, like I've already showed you. And a more in-depth version of what's actually in all of these bags is coming to my channel, or will already be out. I'll link it if it is. So I'm gonna put some outfits together and kind of show you, walk you through them. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is the first outfit I've put together. It's just this all white kind of outfit. Yeah, this is really cute, like a full white outfit with this camel coat. I love this, especially with like some white trainers as well, or even black boots. Okay, so I tried on 2 outfits and then I got really lazy, so I've just laid some things out. You guys would have already seen the Pretty Little Thing haul. I filmed that yesterday. So that's the jumper dress, the snake print pants, shirts in here, and also the cardigan as well. So I'll talk you through the piles. These are my sweaters, including the white one here as well that I just showed you. So we've got the cardigan, which I showed you yesterday, and I've got this one as well. I don't really remember where this one was from. It's like the warmest, thickest turtleneck I have, so this is going to be perfect for Japan. You can see I've kind of gone for like a color scheme. It's kind of all like neutrals with some pops of color some places. Yeah, so those are my sweaters along with the white one. I've got 3 so far. I don't know if this is enough. I've also got these 3 kind of shirts. So these 2 here are bodysuits. So this one was that chocolate brown one I showed you yesterday. These are for me to wear under things as well as just like normally. So if things aren't thick enough or whatever, I can always wear these underneath. Got power banks, my passport holder. This thing is really cool. I bought this from Amazon. Kind of like a case for all like electronics and stuff, and like cables. So you can put like iPhone cables, chargers, SD cards, you know, things like that. So it's all in one little pouch, because I feel like I've never known how to properly like pack electronics and cables and stuff. This is also just my little like jewelry box travel thing. It looks like a mini travel case, which I love, and then you just put like jewelry in it. So all my rings, necklaces, stuff like that. I probably won't bring much jewelry, but that's just there. You guys have already seen my snake print pants. As I said, these ones were kind of a bit thin, so I am bringing these 2 leggings. So when I want to wear these, or just even just my jeans, if they're not thick enough, then I can put these on underneath. I also have these ones from Pretty Little Thing. It's kind of hard to layer bottoms, but yeah, these are like thin enough so I can wear them under like pants like this as well. This is my Disneyland outfit. I've just got this green jumper here, which you guys would have seen so many times, and I'll obviously wear a bodysuit underneath because this is cropped, so it's going to be really cold. But yeah, I'm gonna wear this green jumper, and then I've also got these jeans with Mickey Mouse on them. I thought this was so cute. I bought this in Shanghai. The white jeans like I just showed you, and then I've got my Lazy Oaf jeans. These are the ones with the heart rainbow butt. These are just one of my most worn jeans. So yeah, I've got 3 pairs of jeans. I hope that's enough. At the end of our trip, we have a 11-hour layover in Singapore, so I was kind of thinking we could go outside and explore a little bit, and Singapore weather is always really humid and really hot, so I've just got my tourist shirt. This was from Princess Polly. Love this. And then also my green midi satin skirt, also from Princess Polly. Okay, I've added a few more things. So I've added this yellow shirt from Brandy Melville that I got in Singapore, and I think I'm going to replace the tourist one with this because I just feel like yellow shirt, green skirt, like that's really cute. I've also added 2 jumpers into the mix. I've added this red one just because I feel like this is all really like boring. So I've added this bright red, and I actually wore this jumper and the white jeans I showed you earlier on Christmas Day, and I really liked it. I've also added this top as well. This is that crop top from Princess Polly that I showed you in my holiday party get ready with me video. Added my airport outfit, which is basically a double Barbie outfit. This is my Barbie sweatpants, I believe from Missguided, and then Barbie sweatshirt from Missguided, and they're both black. I just love this outfit so much. If I could live in one outfit in winter, this would be it. I've added this bathing suit as well. This is just a one-strap one from Shein side. I've also just got some warm stuff, so just this plain black scarf. I don't know where this is from, probably like Kmart. I've got this beige kind of nude stone colored beanie from ASOS. It's the most soft thing in the world. And then I've got 2 pairs of gloves. Yeah, I think I'm done for today. I'm very tired. I will carry on tomorrow, but I think I've done a good effort so far. I've got most of the things I need, I'd say. I think it's just the, yeah, carrying on, trying out outfits, trying to cull down what coats I'm actually bringing, because 4 coats for 3 weeks is very excessive, and I'm probably only going to wear like one of them for the whole time. Like the smaller things like my socks, bras, underwear, and just making sure I have everything that I need. So I think I've done a really good job. There are some things that I need to put in the wash first as well before I actually pack them. So yeah, but for now I think I've done a good job. Okay, this is why I love packing cubes. This is what we have so far. This is pretty much all of my clothes except for my coats. I filled up pretty much half of my suitcase, and I feel like I could squish in more. Like I feel like my cable bag and my jewelry can like be there or whatever. But this is why I love packing cubes. All of my like tops and stuff, and a few of my sweaters are in here. My beanie, scarves, snake print pants are all in here, and then some of the bigger like coats and my jumper dress and stuff are here. All 3 pairs of jeans are in here. Like look how tight they're in there, and I've still got that half of the suitcase to go, and all I have to put in there are like my toiletries, my makeup bag, and then whatever shoes I'm not wearing. So I feel like that's really manageable. It's not too crazy. I mean, for 3 weeks as well, I'm pretty impressed with myself. I think I've done a good job. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and I thought I'd show you where I got on packing. So I had kind of a dilemma where I didn't know what suitcase to bring. So I have these 2. So that was the suitcase you saw me packing things into, and this is the bigger one. I had both of these already, but I just thought I'd go with that one, but then I don't know. Basically, I posted on Instagram. I asked for your help, and the bigger case one. This is the bigger one, which you all voted on. Also, look at my new babies. I literally just bought these. Basically, everything that was in that suitcase fits in just this one half of it, which means I have this whole half to fill with any shopping that I need, or to possibly pack more, which is great, which means I do have a lot more space. But I'm just like, I don't know if I'm gonna shop that much. On one hand, I'm too lazy to move all of this into there again, just to maybe move it back in. Got my shoes, so I'm just bringing these boots that have like a furry lining on the inside. These are from H&M. And yeah, you guys have seen everything. I've basically put all my underwear in here. I've got bras, and then socks, skincare, shoes, my coat fit in here. I think I already showed you that. I've got my hat, my Baker Boy hat, and my jewelry. I decided on bringing the fluffy teddy bear coat rather than bringing the green coat or the white one I think I showed you. I've also just got my carry-on, so this is the bag I'm taking. I take this pretty much everywhere. It's just like this little backpack, but it fits a lot. Barbie jumper, I've got a scarf, beanie, gloves. This is the book Jasmine and I are reading this month. We're kind of doing a little book club every single month. So this is The Couple Next Door by Shari LaPena. I've already started. I'm about 200 pages in and it is really, really good, so I'm bringing that one. And I've got my airport outfit all set up over here. I still have to fill up the electronics thing, which I've written a little list of things that I need to fill in there. Got my headphones. This is going to be my coin purse, my little Justin Bieber. Isn't he so cute? I wore this in Queensland like literally like 10 years ago. I love him. I might bring this one actually. This one's really cute. Okay, I'm gonna switch bags. Pretty much got most things sorted. I just need to decide which suitcase to bring, but I pretty much showed you guys everything I'm bringing. Originally wanted to like film the whole trip, like kind of vlog the whole thing, but now I'm kind of like on the fence about it. I think that's just gonna be too much editing. I just can't decide like what format to do it in, like weekly vlog or like vlog each city. But I think I've decided that I'm going to do like daily vlogs, but not like every day. Like I'll just film like a whole day, maybe 2-3 days together and put that all in one video, because then I can have some days like vlogged, but I can also have other days where I don't really need to worry about vlogging, and just have a chill time, not really think about like YouTube or anything. Definitely will have like a Disneyland vlog, a Universal vlog. I want to do a couple eat 7-Eleven food for 24 hours vlog, boyfriend buys my makeup and outfit vlog as well in Japan, which I think will be really fun. So I've got a lot of video ideas planned. You guys will have a lot of content coming your way, so don't worry about that. Just wanted to give you guys an update on that, just so you kind of know the plan and know what to expect from me soon. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this kind of pack with me video, my mini pretty little thing haul. Yeah, just hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my Japan vlogs. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties,